Welcome back to my home buyer series. I'm Jason Hubbard with Loyalty Home Group. Today we're going to talk about working with real estate agents and the benefits and tips for finding the right fit. Before we get started, if you're finding this home buyer series helpful in any way, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you're notified when new future videos come out. Okay, let's get started. Buying or selling a home is a significant financial transaction that involves complex legal, financial, and emotional considerations. To navigate this process successfully, many people turn to real estate agents for assistance. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of working with a real estate agent and provide some valuable tips on how to choose the right one to guide you through your real estate journey. Real estate agents have in-depth knowledge of local housing markets. They can provide valuable insights on property values, on neighborhoods, and on market trends, helping you make informed decisions. Remember that not all agents are equal. Experience plays a huge factor, so make sure you ask them questions about their experience level when talking to them. First, let's talk about access. Agents have access to an extensive database of listings. This includes both public and private listings that aren't readily available to the general public. Some agents have more access than others to off-market listings based on their database. So again, experience plays a role. The access that an experienced agent has gives you a wider range of options to explore than not having an agent. Next, let's talk about negotiation skills. Agents are skilled negotiators. They can advocate on your behalf, ensuring you get the best deal possible, whether you're buying or selling a home. Again, experience matters. Next, let's talk about streamlined process. Real estate transactions involve a considerable amount of paperwork and administrative tasks. Agents can simplify the process, ensuring that all necessary documents are handled correctly and on time. Experienced agents have streamlined processes already in place. Let's go over network and resources. Experienced agents have a network of contacts, including mortgage brokers, inspectors, and contractors who can assist you throughout the home buying or selling process. This is a huge benefit before, during, or after a transaction. Now let's go over some tips for choosing the right real estate agent. You want to research and interview. Start by researching local real estate agents. Look for those who have a strong online presence and positive reviews. Look them up on Google or see if they have a YouTube account. Then schedule interviews with them to discuss your needs and evaluate their experience and suitability. The average agent only closes a couple of deals a year, so ask them how many deals they close every year. Check their credentials. Ensure the agent is licensed and a member of the National Association of Realtors, NAR. NAR members adhere to a strict code of ethics. This may or may not be a huge factor to you, but dig deeper. Do they specialize in what you're looking to buy? Again, experience matters. Consider the agent's experience in the local market. An agent who specializes in the type of property you're interested in, i.e., residential, commercial, or luxury, can be especially valuable. How well do they know your market? How many deals do they close? How long have they been in real estate? These are all important factors to consider when hiring your agent, especially if you're listing your home. Ask for references. Don't hesitate to ask for references from past clients. A reputable agent will be happy to provide them, and you can gain valuable insights into their performance. You can also check, again, their online reviews. Communication style. Communication is key in a real estate transaction. Choosing an agent whose communication style aligns with your preferences and is responsive to your questions and concerns. For some reason, many agents are not good at answering their phones. Do they respond promptly? Maybe they have another full-time job and are only available at certain times and on certain days. These are all things you want to think about. Local knowledge. A deep understanding of the local market is crucial. Your agent should be able to provide insights into neighborhoods, school districts, transportation options, and more. Although they can't tell you what's a good neighborhood or what's a good school, They can lead you to websites that can provide you statistics on the information you're looking for, both on schools, crime rates, and just overall neighborhood stuff. Fees and terms. Clarify the agent's fees and contract terms up front. Understand how and when the agent will be compensated, whether it's through commission or through a flat fee. Trust your instincts. Ultimately, choose an agent you feel comfortable with and trust. This will ensure a smoother and more enjoyable experience throughout the process. When all is said and done, working with a real estate agent offers numerous benefits, from expert guidance and market knowledge to streamlined transactions and negotiation skills. By taking the time to research, interview, and choose the right agent for your specific needs, you'll increase your chances of a successful and satisfying real estate experience. A skilled and dedicated agent can make all the difference when it comes to finding your dream home or achieving a successful sale. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching my video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.